There's some music going, right?
Mhm.
Buckle up. And we are off. Here we go. Here we go.
Woo! Turn up with it. Turn on that. There you go. I know, these are cooler than ours, right?
Yeah.
You can put all your stuff up there. You need these kind of buses for you guys, so you can put your backpacks up there.
I know, but bus 4 and bus 5 back in the summer were both in accidents.
Bus 5 is inactive right now.
Yep.
It was like that in the summer.
Yep. I did see bus 5 once.
See the stop sign? What do we do at stop signs? Stop. Right?
Make sure no kids speeding through here.
And watch out for the speeders.
Yes, they do. Me? I do not do through here.
You guys want to walk back from here?
I didn't know.
Nah.
Where's everybody at?
Is that me or you? Just kidding. Are you out of gas?
It says tighten the gas cap.
Yeah, tighten the gas cap. It's going ding, 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 ding.
Uh-oh.
Boy, oh boy.
So it's swerving here. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Big
Oh,
turn.
gosh.
Big turn. Big turn.
Ah. Woo, okay, we
Made it. How's my driving, Alex?
Pretty bad, I mean pretty good.
Okay, good. You guys see the robot cutting the grass over there?
Yeah.
You see the robot cutting the grass?
When we were at the park yesterday, they had a robot putting the white lines down.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh my God.
You cannot ride the robot. You cannot ride the robot around the thing. It'd be fun.
Yeah, just don't mind it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, you cannot drive. Oh, you want the coach to drive the bus?
yeah.
You cannot drive the bus.
Baba, Baba,
You cannot drive the bus.
Baba. Oh my God, Baba. Oh, Baba.
You wanna? The bus?
Yeah.
Well, where am I gonna sit? Where am I gonna? No, I can't. I gotta sit right next to you.
How about you go on the roof?
No, that's silly. That's silly.
Mr.
There's
Bones.
the robot. Let's go see the robot.
What you doing there? Go ahead, Miss Jackie.
Let's go see the robot. You think Miss Jackie needs a ride?
Yeah.
She does.
Yeah.
She's okay. Here's the robot. You see it?
Yellow.
You ready to look out your window?
You'll see the robot going along. Not sure why that's so funny, but alright.
You think someday there's gonna be a robot as a teacher? Telling you what to do?
Yeah.
We should drive this on the track.
No, Mr. Pro.
That's a no-no.
What?
Do the rule, man.
What?
There's the robot out your window, right there.
See it?
Robot.
Is there anybody on it? No. How is that happening? I think he's done.
Is it out of gas?
I think it is.
Let's see.
That's impressive.
Oh my God.
That's impressive. It knows it's done.
It looks like it's done.
Baba, Baba.
Does he need gas?
Oh my God.
Friday, next week.
Oh,
Next week. Whoa, this guy's standing on the truck.
Oh,
He's
geez.
standing on the truck.
That is not safe.
What is he
That's
doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
The truck's moving.
Oh, that's definitely not safe. He definitely gotta go bam.
Big turn coming up here. There she is again. She's walking faster than us. She's moving faster than us.
Just honks.
Honk. You want to go see if anybody else wants to come on the bus?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Go ask them, Alex.
Okay,
Yeah.
well, let him stop first. So he was gonna jump
You
on the
gotta
bus.
stop first. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you gonna stay on, Isaiah?
Yeah.
All right, Alex. Go tell Miss Larson. Anybody else?